Can veterans access facilities on military bases? If you are a veteran wondering about accessing military base facilities, you are not alone. Many veterans have questions about what is available to them. The good news is that veterans can access certain facilities on military bases, but there are specific criteria and processes to follow. First, veterans need to have a Veteran Health Identification Card issued by the Department of Veterans Affairs or a driver's license or identification card that complies with the Real ID Act. With these credentials, veterans can enroll for recurring access at the visitor center of the military installation. This process includes verifying identity, undergoing a criminal record and terrorism check, and stating the purpose of the visit. Once enrolled, veterans can use the same credential for future visits without needing to repeat the process. Eligibility for access generally extends to veterans who do not qualify through retiree status or 100% disability benefits. Specifically, veterans with at least a 0% service-connected disability documented by the Department of Veterans Affairs and certain caregivers can access these benefits. Caregivers who are primary family members must have documentation from the Department of Veterans Affairs Office of Community Care to enroll for base access as well. Veterans who have received a Purple Heart, have been former prisoners of war, or have service-connected disabilities ranging from 0% to 90% can obtain a Veteran Health Identification Card to facilitate their access. For veterans with broader eligibility, such as retirees, Medal of Honor recipients, or those with 100% service-connected disability ratings, they receive Department of Defense issued identification cards. These cards grant wider access and privileges on military bases. The practical benefits for veterans living in or connected to the armed forces are significant. Veterans can shop at military exchanges and commissaries, which often offer tax-free goods and discounted prices. Access to morale, welfare, and recreation programs provides opportunities for recreational, fitness, and family activities on base. Veterans attending medical appointments at Department of Veterans Affairs facilities on base can enter more easily with these credentials. The enrollment process requires passing a criminal and terrorism background check to ensure base security. The enrollment is valid for 1 to 3 years, meaning veterans will need to re-enroll if their identification expires or their eligibility changes. In summary, veterans who meet the eligibility requirements and complete the enrollment process can access various military base facilities and benefits. This access improves their quality of life and strengthens their connection to the military community. The system aims to balance security with veteran inclusion, reflecting ongoing efforts to simplify and standardize base access for veterans and their caregivers.